My name is Cleas. I'm originally from Holland and moved to Denmark in 1995. Have been studying computer science in the late 90s, and I got a job in the insurance business as a developer. My interest in data science, machine learning started about 4 years ago. And that's why I found the courses at your analyticsvidhya very interesting, and especially the Blackbelt program, which covers a lot of material. I encountered a very high level of mathematics. I have studied computer science in the late 90s, and mathematics is not my most top skills. In weekends or holidays where I can work dedicated on a course, and that is not something the other courses offer. I can restart a course if I like, a module here at Vidhya, in my own pace, in my own time. Well, I had some, not doubts as such, if I could complete all the modules successfully. I was a little bit afraid of that some of the courses were very, very detailed in terms of mathematics, in terms of exercises and tests. And I think this is a hard thing to do. The main cause is that it's 360 degrees. A number of modules which are relevant, which are interesting, and which covers all the aspects. The 9 modules, I think there are 8 or 9 modules, cover all the aspects. What I thought is extremely interesting and extremely beneficial. Let's start with the last thing, the configuration and the drawbacks of certain models compared to other models. That was really a thing that I really liked. Of course, before you start the journey, you don't know where it ends. You've got some goals and hope that you'll end and complete all the modules, so that after each module I was eager to continue. So it's a decision-based journey. For me, the decisions has been after each module, okay, I would like to continue. It's good, I like this. Is that I will use it in my daily, not in my daily, but maybe in my weekly coding exercises. What I'm doing in my spare time, I make models, I try to do some analytics or data cleaning, etc. on either data sets I get online or data sets I produce myself from the insurance data I have. And don't know where it starts. My previous role was IT architect, and I introduced some of the models for the insurance business, for fraud detection, for churn analysis, and that was let's say it was much appreciated. I have got, of course, some ambitions in terms of being and doing data science and helping other companies. My goal in 3-5 years is maybe that I can become an independent software developer in this field. Yeah, I have also updated my LinkedIn. I sent a message and I said I really recommend this because it's so well structured. There are so many aspects that I think it's a foundation. It's a must-have foundation for anyone that would like to understand what it's about. Business leaders, resume, all those details. You don't have to have a bachelor in computer science to start this, or in data science. You can start with one on a lower entry level.